Hi everyone, hope you all well. Just before you buy a boxing bag, pick this up water-filled bag. I use this as a head and body shot bag and kick bag. AQUA boxing bag, one the best bag in the market and expensive. This one isn't. I'll put a link where I got this from, also video how you fill it up with water and setups. You'll be very grateful that you got this. Heavy duty but light and small. This is where the metal bit on the rope comes handy so it could spin. I'm using a rope where I can easily adjust the height. Hope these videos helps and keep doing great. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.